break of 2 days. So now, as in the last video, we did till list of Python. Okay, so in today's video, we will discuss about functions, then tuples and if statements. Okay, and next video, I will show you how to make a better calculator. Like here, you saw that thing of that can operate from one operator, this thingy. Okay, it will be better than that also. It will not like you have to go and change and all do it. Okay, so the thing we need for a function is the first topic we will learn to do is function. Okay. Okay, so I'll come back. So we have to write a simple keyword for that. Whenever we are using functions in Python, we have to write the keyword of def. Then we have to put a variable there, a variable that will show that what the function is doing. It will be like you can also do something else, but like I will make it a function in which it will say the user hi. Okay, so I made this like this and here print hi Partha. Okay, something is here wrong. You have might seen hi Partha. Okay, now let's run it. You will be thinking, okay, it has written print, so it's the same thing. Why to write this thing again? We have seen that nothing has printed here. I will make you understand why. So this def means it builds a thing that is callable. We have to call it. Okay. So like here I have to call it by its name in our compiler, like say hi, it was its name, right? Now we can just run it and see the output. So it will be like hi Partha and the answer, but it didn't came. So let's see why. So the thing behind it is we have not given the brackets. We have to give the brackets there. Now we will run it. You can see it will print hi Partha. So you will be thinking, why to do this whole thing? We can do like simply just print then hi Partha. So the thing behind it, when you will be doing complex coding in my next, like when I will be teaching you people the Pygame, Tkinter and all, in that time we will be saying that when we'll use the complex coding, we have to make some function, always it will not work. Why? Because in a variable we cannot set anything to do. Like I cannot write here without like writing this with I'll be writing any variable like name equals print hello. We can do this also, okay. But the thing behind it, when we will write like this, it will change to an another variable. We have to set an another. But in a function, we can do work of one variable or the work of multiple variables. That's what is function. Now we'll straight forward to the thing named as tuples. Okay, we'll be going to tuples now. Okay, let me just comment it out. Okay, we have to comment it out, otherwise it will be like, why the hell it is. Okay, so what is tuples? Tuples are the same thing, but something else. Like it is the lists. Okay, tuple like list is tuples, you can say. But the thing in tuples is tuples is not changeable. But like once you have saved your code, you cannot change it. Okay, next time like any hacker will come and he wants to change the color of the background. He will come to the console and type something and then he will change the color. But if it is stored in a tuple variable, then it will not do like that. So I will show it. Like coordinates, I'm writing something like coordinates, a variable I'm making, then equals to, then like this I have to do, then 4 and 5, double braces and 4 and 5. Okay, coordinates equals to 4 and 5. Then print Okay, now I will be doing all the things very fast, not like simply doing it in a slow method, because now you are an intern. Okay, now you are an intern. Why I told that you will understand in a time. So okay, now you are intern. Now you have to write the index position. Like I will write the index position of 0. Okay, so you can see that it printed 4. It is same like list but something else. Like in list we cannot give numbers, here we can give numbers and some more things. Okay. No, in list also we can give numbers but in another method. So this is what tuple is. Nothing else is more here. And the next thing we are going to do is like what to say that. Okay, I will say you one thing. Okay, whenever you are commenting down, this is a very good trick. Like control X and put all the things in one line and then comment it down. So there will be no error and it will be time saving, not like three dots and again three dots. It will be again more work. So the next thing we are going to do is if statements. Like function is very huge thing in Python. If statement is also an important, like input statement, if statement, functions, while loop, for loop, and loop statements are the statements or the things in Python which are always useful, and you have to see it very perfectly. You have to see this what I am doing and how I am doing. So when you are giving a if statement, it should be there some input statement or variables. Without variables or input statement, we cannot write an if statement. You will see why and how. Like I made a variable of name and I will do it print. Name equals not print, actually name equals input, then double brackets, then like this, and then I will ask the user what is your name. Okay, your name. Now I will make a statement like if the user gives the name Partho or Partho, okay, then it will show that Partho is recording. Okay, so if name equals, we have to put double equals, then quote, and then we will write Partho. Okay, we have wrote it Partho, then colon. We have to put a colon and it will be indented. Indented. It is the first indenting, I think so. No, in def also you have seen that it will be indented. Now it has indented. So you have to write everything in indented. If you don't write anything on indented, then it will be like no, it will not print it because it will finish there. Okay, like if in C or C plus, if you know that, so there will be some curly braces here. Okay, here it will be some curly braces and everything will be written inside this. So here it doesn't work. So, okay, here we have to indent it like this. Now I want to print if, like I'm saying, if the name is equal, if the user's input is equals to Partho, then print he is recording a video. Okay, that's pretty much done. Now when I will run the code, it will first ask me what is my name. So let me put here my name is Partho. Like here I have done Partho. Okay, we are done with it and he is recording a video. Then we have to put here something else like L if. L if it is when we are you want multiple if statements, you have to write L if. You can write if also, no problem, but L if will show like okay, it will be something good. It will like it will not be if how many times if. It will show like no, it is something complex. So for that L if is used. Now L if name is equals Partho, not now I will make it Kaushik. Okay, then print he is a member of PKD. I don't want to make you understand what is PKD. Just see how it works. Then I will give else. Else is the thing when you are finished up with if, and then you want to give else if, like not the person is giving that two names and giving something else, then print his name. Else name equals else just not name equals else just print the name like this. Now I will print not quotes while we are calling back the variable. We just don't need quotes name, just print the name. Okay, now we are pretty much done with it. Now when I will where you showed that you saw that when I wrote Partho it done. So now I will just write Kaushik. So wait a second, what was Kaushik spelling? Okay, Kaushik. Okay, now you will see he's member of PKD. Now when I will rerun it and not giving Partho or Kaushik, I will write the name like Devansh. So you will see it printed simple Devans. You have seen it printed simple Devans. I can do something else more cool that I will do like here like this and then just write what is your name is. I just made a string variable here, so it will be something fancy, like not only printing the name, it will show like your name is then the user's input. So this is what we need in a if statement. The next thing I will make you in next video, I will like send this video today only. Okay, that how to make a better calculator in Python. So we will see about that. So now I'm just ending up and winding up the session today. We'll meet in next video. So bye bye.